Flight attendants be seated for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Tullamarine International Airport, Melbourne. The local time now is 23 minutes past 9 in the morning with a ground temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign above you is switched off and the aircraft comes to a complete stop. Please ensure that your mobile phone is still off until you're inside the terminal building. To be careful when opening the overhead compartments, before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all of your personal belongings with you. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance upon arrival, please do not hesitate to contact any of our ground staff. On behalf of AirAsia X, Captain Yong, First Officer Devanjit, and the rest of the crew on duty today, we would like to thank you for flying with AirAsia X and have a pleasant day ahead.